ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವ ಜಾಲಿನ 150 ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಗಳು
being here, why is it that you are not happy with the central government?
Actually, that our BPMS Bharatiya Privatization Mazdoor Sangh, that is repeatedly several times we have requested to the administration and discuss the issue of the employees' grievances. Major issue of compassionate ground appointment and DPC, our MSCP, our trade test, जो filling up the vacancies in all the organization. मगर जो administration has not bothered about our request, the federation get very much annoyed and they have decided to conduct the gate meeting today itself. We are going to ask the appointment with the defense minister. At the time that we will put all the requests, whatever that we are conducting the agendas, the same will be reproduced to the defense minister for their action.